Jai Hind dosto. In this video, I am going to share about I purchased a Dhruv Rathi book. So chapter wise, I will read this novel, and gradually I will read, and you can see I will mark important vocabulary, so you can write note down your in your notebook vocabulary, and there is and meaning also you can search on Google. And otherwise, end of this video I will share important vocabulary in English and Hindi too. So just watch this video, and gradually you understand how to read and how to all your heart, then the whole universe start trying for you to reach it. This is just what people needed in this single that you receive from nature, and magical trick to harness the power of universe for your own benefit. At the end of the almost, Santiago find his treasure, and the writer of the novel also got a treasure. The novel broke all record of sale. In this film, Om Shanti Om takes rebirth in a rich household. He becomes a superstar, win awards, is united with his lady love in her rebirth. The film was a super hit, and the makers of the film also minted treasure at the box office. So, lack of burning desire. But did you get any teasers? Whatever your desire with all your heart, did you get it? Or did you desire nothing with all heart when all your doesn't work for people? They end up questioning themselves to probably their desire did not have any requisite conviction. Maybe their desire was not such a burning desire, but think for it. I want food. All those people starving with hunger, living in misery, does their heart hold no sincere desire to emerge out of poverty? Wishing you speedy recovery. People have their sick relative in the hospital. Do they not want to, with all their heart, that their relatives may get well soon? But do the hospitals not see death? Dream of stardom. Lakhs of people leave their comfortable household and reach the city of dreams, Mumbai, in hopes of being a superstar. They live a life full of struggle there. They live holed up in a rickety apartment in the expensive city. They get pushed around in a long queue for audition. Obviously, they have desperate desire to be a superstar, or else why would they take such a pain? But how many of them end with being a superstar? Hungry for power. Many people contest the election. They do so much of running around. They can organize big rallies. Beside these efforts, you can be well imagine how much money is drained for all of this. If they do not desire to win election with all their heart, why would they take all this trouble? But losing the context successive election to register a win. And yet many read the paragraph a novel, so I important vocabulary here, so I note it down. So first vocabulary is harness. Harness something to useful. So harness का मतलब हुआ काम में लाना, something use. Second is misery. Misery. Misery means something sad, दुखी होना. थर्ड इज क्यू, टू इन लाइन, मतलब कतार में रहना। रिकटी, रिकटी मीन्स समथिंग टू वीक, कमजोर बना हुआ। कॉन्स्पायर, कॉन्स्पायर का मतलब है साजिश, साजिश करना, किसी के खिलाफ साजिश, षड्यंत्र रचना। ट्रेजर, ट्रेजर मीन्स खजाना, समथिंग यू गॉट in box of with the expensive things. And drained meaning is सूखा, सूखा है, ठीक है, something dried. And the lack meaning is कमी, something is too less, anything. And conviction, conviction meaning is to strong belief, to trust something, you have faith on anything, conviction. Okay. and last, trouble, trouble is too difficult, trouble means is too difficult. So in Hindi, समस्या, कठिनाइयाँ और कुछ परेशानियाँ, जिससे we the meaning is trouble. Okay, so all this vocabulary you can note down and you learn from how to read. And just mark, if you stuck somewhere, just mark the word and search on Google. Okay, see you in the next video, and please thank you for the watching, and see you on the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.